What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again with another unboxing video. This one hopefully is packed pretty well. This one's going to be kind of a surprise. I ended up buying this amplifier off of a gentleman on eBay, and he ended up saying that he had some extra end caps that he was going to throw in with it because he doesn't like selling stuff. So I was like, all right, that's cool. So the amplifier, I don't even remember what it is anymore. I believe it's the 250.2, if my memory serves me right. I know I forgot. But you guys know because you guys are watching the video and you've already read the description of the video. So basically, he threw in some extra stuff for me. Holy cow, I like this. Look at that. This is what buyers love to see right here. Let me open this up. Pool noodle. Pool noodles! Look at that, everybody. Pool noodles. I'm liking this guy already. Alright, so pool noodles, pool noodles. Oodles and noodles of pool noodles. Excuse me. So we've got this over here, over here. Let's go straight into the first part. We got some end caps here. And that one's broken, which isn't a big deal. Clean that up. Freebie. And here's another end cap. This one's in better condition. A little bit better condition, I should say. Hey, they're free, right? Beggars can't be choosers. So there's that. Now, we've got the amplifier here. Look at that. More pool noodle. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pool noodles. I like pool noodles. For those of you that don't know about pool noodles, just go to Walmart or like Dollar General or something like that. Dollar General has them for $1 for, I think it's a 5-foot pool noodle. Walmart has them on sale every now and then too. Last time I went to go buy some, they were supposed to be 97 cents. They weren't. They were like $2 and something. So, anyway, amplifier wise, this amplifier is blown. It needs to be repaired. That's how it was sold. So, this is the Rockford Fosgate 250.2. And this amplifier is newer than what I normally collect. But the reason why I bought it is because the 250.2 is the same amplifier as a 250X2 in the DSM. Meaning the, let me grab one of the amplifiers real quick. The amplifier, basically this style. So if I can find an amplifier that I can swap the shell out of, so let's say that I put the guts of this amp into the case of this amplifier, then I might end up doing that, and then I'll just hold on to this or do something with it, I don't know. This amplifier is in a previous video. This one's a 4020. Ended up painting it a little bit. Didn't turn out too bad. It looks pretty good. So, actually just touched it up a little bit more than anything. So, anyway, this amplifier, I'll probably do a guts video on it because the seals have been opened. This one looks like it's got 2 sets of seals on it, so it would have been refurbished or something at one time. But we'll open it up and take a look at it and see what's going on with it and see why it's not even screwed on all the way. But we'll take a look at it and see if maybe we can't fix it ourselves. Otherwise, we'll have to send it out. But nice little haul today. Free end caps. They weren't what I was hoping for, but I only say that because, you know, if they were for this amplifier or for this style over here, it would be nice. But you know what? Beggars can't be choosers, and I'll add them to my box of parts. If anybody needs one, then hey, I can help them out. So, real quick video unboxing. I've got more stuff coming here in the future, and yeah, have a good one, guys. Stay cool.